Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online in 2019 with no skills, with no experience, and this method is going to be perfect for those that are just starting out in internet marketing and for those that are complete beginners. So let's jump into the method, but before that, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel for more make money online tips, and make sure you leave a like if this is helpful to you. So let's jump into the method. So the way we're going to be making money online is by using the common technique called digital arbitrage. Now, if you don't know what arbitrage is, there's a Google definition up here. In economics and finance, arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of a price difference between two or more markets. So what we're going to be doing is finding services that are listed for a high price, and we're going to get them done for a lower price. That might sound a bit vague and you might have a lot of questions, but I'll get into some specifics and how exactly you can do this further in the video, so make sure you watch till the end so you can get all of the value out of the video. So online there are things called job sites, and what these basically are websites where companies can post an ad. Say they want a logo design done, they can post an ad on that site and it'll attract all of the different people from that site to go and make a logo for them. It's basically quicker and much easier to post an ad on the job site for a company as to go and hire direct. So the most common job sites out there are Freelancer and Upwork. We're going to be taking advantage of these two. We're going to be finding a job on there that we can fulfill. Now remember, we're going to be a middleman, so we're not actually going to fulfill the job ourselves. We're going to go to someone who can do it cheaper, and then we're going to bank all of the profit. So let's jump into some of these sites and I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So to get to Freelancer, just click the link in the description or just type in Freelancer. And it should take you to freelancer.co.uk, hire freelancers and find freelance jobs online. So what we can do is we can sign up to Freelancer, we can make an account, and then you can browse jobs. Now here we can see a load of different jobs. As you can see, I need an editor, logo design, e-commerce website, 15 articles written. So what companies will do is they'll post a job and then the freelancers on the website can bid on the job depending on how much they think it's worth. So for example, this one here, the average bid is 622. So if you could find someone cheaper to do it than 622 and bid lower, the company might go with you because you've got a cheaper price than everyone else. So that's basically how the site works, right? People put up a job and other people bid on how much they think the job's worth. Now when they upload a gig, they can put a budget. This budget is between 250 and 750 USD. And as you can see, if we scroll down, people are bidding what they think the work is worth. Now obviously you can't just scroll down Freelancer and be bidding on any jobs. You have to find a place that you can get things cheaper. And the way you can get things cheaper online is by going to Fiverr. I'll also leave a link in the description to Fiverr. But basically go to Google, type in Fiverr, and go to their website. So on Fiverr, the ecosystem is a lot cheaper than Freelancer and Upwork. It's just how the website's been branded and marketed. It's been marketed as a website where you can find services a lot cheaper than these other websites. So now we're on Fiverr, we can go back to Freelancer and we can start to find gigs that we can potentially work with. So if you go on Fiverr a lot, you'll know that there's a lot of animation services. So if you type in 2D animation in Freelancer, you're going to get people that want an animation. So here we've got whiteboard animation video. £137 is the average bid. So if you go to Fiverr and type in whiteboard animation, you can see here someone with 1,000 orders and a rating of 4.9 out of 5 can make a whiteboard video for £8.15. Obviously there are going to be different details and different price plans, but if we go to the premium package, even the premium package is £24.44, and so it would make a profit of whatever 107 minus 24 is. Again, someone's looking for a 2D video with voiceover for £70. You could find that video on Fiverr by just searching and finding someone that is close to the job description on Freelancer. So you get the gist, right? You can keep scrolling down, you can find projects on Freelancer and fulfill them on Fiverr. So remember, we're being a middleman. So if there's a job for £150 and you can get someone to do it for £50, you're going to profit £100. Now you may be saying, if you can find it cheaper, well, why don't companies just go straight to Fiverr? Well, often companies A, don't know about Fiverr, B, they think Fiverr only has listings for $5 because that's what it used to be, and C, they might think the quality on Fiverr is not as good. But in my opinion, in a really competitive market like Fiverr, the quality has been better than ever. I've brought some stuff off Fiverr and the quality I've been really happy with. So here are some tips on how you can get your freelancer profile looking much better so you have a higher chance of being accepted for gigs. Make sure you have a profile picture on your profile, make sure you write a bit about you in the summary, and make everything look professional. Have a nice headshot of yourself on Fiverr. Make sure you write a nice description, and you want to take gigs that are low in money to start with to build up your rating. Sometimes that might mean taking gigs that are going to give you a small £2 loss, but if you're doing that and building your rating, you're going to be making money in the long run because you're going to have a bigger rating over time. Then once you build up your profile, you just need to bid on the project, and then they'll send over the details. You go and send them details to the person on Fiverr, they make your product, and you send that product to the person on Freelancer, pocketing all of the profit. So that's been how you can make money online with digital arbitrage in a nutshell. If this video did help you out at all and you are going to use any of the methods, make sure you leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel for more make money online tips, and I'll see you in the next one.